Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we focus on income generating. My name's Isaiah. In this video, I'm going to talk about plans for this upcoming week, as well as a little bit of extra money I'll be putting in from an LLC. So as I always say, the whole focus of this account is to generate income. Take that income and invest in myself. So I have some vending machines, and every month I take a payment. And this month I'll take around $750, and I'm going to put that $750 into one of these YMAX funds. Like I said, sell options, you'll generate more income. But I'm just going to keep using the income I've created from selling options. Like I said in the last two videos, we collected $1,100 this past week from selling options. So I'm not sure which of the YMAX funds I'm going to put it in. Should I put it in ULTY, get 515 shares? I'm not going to go YMAX, so it's either going to be ULTY or Coney. 775. Wow, man, these things are just collapsing. Whew. Coney, or do we go MSTY? Let me know in the comments which one, if I could type. Let me know in the comments which one you guys think I should put the $750 into. Like I said, I would much rather sell options, but I am going to invest a little bit more money into those dividend-paying funds and just, watch the comparison. Plus, it'll dollar cost average them down a little bit. I'm leaning on ULTY. I feel like has the most flexibility, but I mean, why don't we just look at their charts? Like, here's ULTY over the last 3 months, and we are going down from 751 all the way down to $6 right now. We could be at $5 by tomorrow. Who knows? But yeah, so we'll see which one we're going to put it into. I have a lot of covered calls I'm going to sell tomorrow. Mostly, let's see, FCEL, 700 shares. That's going to be a nice covered call. And Wolf, 500 shares. I will sell covered calls on those. And I don't know if I have open run. Have I already sold a covered call on that? Oh, I already have it for next week. So cool. Hopefully that stays below that 650, and then I can just keep running those shares again. But that's kind of how I start my Monday. A bunch of covered calls. We'll see. Honestly, I expect us to be down at least until after the 2nd. And even then, I bet you we get a little bit of bounce, and then we just stay flat. I don't have high expectations for this year in the stock market. We're still going to generate income through selling options, rolling positions. But as a whole, I really don't expect much upward movement, not like the last 2 years. So that's just kind of the plan. Monday, like I said, we are going to sell some covered calls, start our week off. And for those that are new, I always reiterate it, but I always like to remind people selling covered calls means you're agreeing to sell a stock for a predetermined price. And because you're doing that, you collect a credit. So, I could be wrong. We might start out hot tomorrow. But over the last couple weeks, we have just been really running down. And honestly, that's okay for me. I'm fine with that. I'm going to sell more options. If you're somebody that's heavily invested into one fund or another, like the YMAXs, you might not be as happy about these downturns right now. And I understand that. But like I said, let's diversify. Let's make our cash, make our money work for you, roll positions, and don't stare at the charts. Just worry about what you can control, how much money you can generate for your selling options. And always remember, if you're not okay with owning that stock at that price, don't sell an option on it. Then it doesn't matter how low the market goes because you're okay with buying that stock at that price. But nonetheless, like I said, just a quick video to kind of get us ready for the week. I don't have high expectations for a big run-up this week. Our goal is to collect $550. That's our bare minimum. So we'll see if we continue our streak of hitting it. Like I've recorded the last 10 weeks for everybody. I could go back further. It just takes too long to look through the trade history. So The last 10 weeks, we've been well over 550 bucks. We're averaging 840 bucks a week over the last 10 weeks. That's pretty good. I'm happy with that. So we'll see how week 11 goes for us. But if you like this content, help me out. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and let's grow.